morning, you guys. This is a behind the scenes vlog of Hennessey Performance, and I want to bring you guys along with us on this fine Thursday morning. I kind of just want to show y'all the ins and outs and the behind the scenes of Hennessey Performance. This morning we just had our morning meeting. We have one every single morning at 8:15, and it allows us to all be on the same page regarding production and what's going on in the shop, and just if anybody has any concerns, that's what's going on back there. But I want to bring you guys along with me, so let's go. A few random little facts about Hennessey Performance. We are based in Sealy, Texas. We have tons of land here to do all of our work, and we are right off the highway, so you really can't miss us. We are definitely a landmark in Texas. And then you'll walk right inside, and we've got our showroom. Check this new Tuner School wrap out. This thing looks so good. It was supposed to be at Texas 2K, but that event recently got canceled. So it's here looking great in our showroom. We've got a Cobra Jet. This is actually like a race car. It's not street legal, but it does look good in our showroom. And then over here we've got the Venom F5 model. You'll be seeing a running and driving car very, very soon. I know all of you guys are super excited about that, so just be patient. Okay. Welcome to the parts department. This is getting reorganized. We're moving things, so it looks kind of a mess right now, but this is going to be super organized very, very soon. Obviously, we're expanding a ton. Here's Greg, one of our sales guys. Let's go. Okay, so here is our shop. So we try to put out about 40 cars a month. So that keeps us super, super busy. Right here, we've got our 6x6, one of the Goliaths. This car is super popular and just a really fun car. Let me show y'all the engine. Okay, last time I saw this, the engine was out. I guess this is the new engine. Is this the new engine, Jerry?
Yes.
The new engine. How much horsepower? 700? 800. This is Jerry. He's our lead shop manager, lead technician, however you want to say it. He's working on some exciting stuff right now. We can't see it.
Top secret.
But yeah, Jerry, what's your favorite part about Hennessey?
Everything. I love everything here.
Yeah.
I love working with you guys.
Oh, we love working
fast.
with you. Me too. Here's the Venom GT. Jerry's doing some work to it. Not sure exactly what he's doing to it, but it's got a cool wrap going on. We've got a Jeep Trackhawk. That is a special Hellcat. I think that's going to be about 1,400 horsepower. GT500, super exciting build. This is our very first one. Velociraptor 600. Looks like this guy went mudding or something, I don't know. Another Trackhawk. Velociraptor 600, I think. Another Velociraptor 600. A Velociraptor V8. Velociraptor V8. Velociraptor V8. And another Hellcat, I want to say, yep. And then, so that is our shop area. We've got a lot of technicians, and then over here we've got our Goliath 700 on the dyno. It's kind of loud back here, but all right, we've got the Maximus back here. This is our wash bay area. We make sure that our cars are nice and clean before they head out, which that's really nice. And then something special over here. We've got Tuner School. Not sure what they're up to today. What are y'all learning about today?
Wheel alignment. Yeah.
Wheel alignment. Awesome. Great. And here are some trucks that are all waiting to be in production, or they're already complete and they're waiting to leave. So We have a really cool thing called Tuner School. If you're not familiar, it is an awesome program that Hennessey Performance offers for you if you have the passion for cars to learn how we modify and upgrade vehicles. And it's just a good segue to get into the automotive market, and it's a 14-week program. We typically have up to 15 students, and it's really awesome. If you're a female, we've had females as well. So I'll show you all the Tuner School area. It's right here. So they get to work on this awesome Camaro and another Camaro. So, and then they have a full-on classroom right over here, and they meet from 8:30 to 1:30 every single day. And fun fact, we've actually hired a ton of Tuner School students to work at Hennessey. So here's the classroom. It's a really, really awesome program. So if you're interested, I'll leave a little link in our bio and you can check it out. So yes, this is our shop. So here is mine and Caitlin's office. This is Caitlin, my colleague. This is Caitlin's little area, and this is my little area. It's awesome. We love our office. Got a good view of the F5 and a good view of if anybody is arriving. So we love it. All right, you guys, so Alex and I are heading out to the track. Something really unique that we have here is we have our own testing track. It is a 1/4 mile track, and it's really great to have.
All right, guys, we're heading out to the Pennzoil Proving Grounds test track, and this Grand Sport just came in. It's the 8-speed automatic. It's such a nice car. The C7 is now ended in production, so excited to still see these coming through. But basically what we're doing is just going to do a little bit of baseline testing, making sure that this car is starting off healthy before we modify it. We always need to do baseline testing just to make sure we're starting out with a good, healthy vehicle so we can proceed with the modifications. So just gonna kind of shake it down a little bit, make sure that it's gonna perform like it should.
Why are you making that face?
Alright, this Grand Sport is performing just as it should. Let's bring it into the shop and get it ready for build.
Let's do it. Also, I never really told you guys exactly what I do here, but I help out a lot with the social media and event planning side of things, so that is why I'm making this video for you guys. So one of our technicians is working on this Velociraptor V8, and he just took out the V6 engine, and we are putting in the V8 very soon. So that's super exciting for this customer, and he's gonna lower it down so you guys can see the inside.